We now have the list of trashed items, but if you click on any of the deleted nodes, it takes us to the nodes route and we get a 404 error because this node is deleted. What we now need is the show route for trashed node and the show method in the controller. Open web.php and using route get, let's add a show route. /trashed/note. We need to pass in the node unique ID. And this will call the controller trash node controller show action. Don't show again. And this will also have to go through the auth middleware, and the name would be trashed.show. Yes. But this isn't sufficient. We do not get a soft deleted model while using route model binding by default, right? So you need to chain this with trashed method to include soft deleted models right here. Or you can cut this and put it even before the middleware. Yeah, this is perfect. Now open the trash node controller, add a new show method, public function show, and accept the node model here. Let's dump and die this node to see if it's working. Right, now refresh. We'll have to change this URL. So what we do is let's go back. Let's open the index method. And here we need to change this link based on the route. So let's do the same thing that we did here. Let me just add some line spaces. So here, if the route is nodes.index, we anyway show the same thing. Else, we point it to trashed.show. And if. All right. Now let's check in the browser. Refresh. Click on this. And yes, we are pointed. Sorry, looks like I made a mistake here. It's not trashed. It must be in web.php. It's here. Yeah, all right. Let's go back, refresh, and click on this. Yes, we have the correct route now, and we also have the deleted node. Great, now let's remove the DD and return the view instead. Return view nodes.show. We can reuse that route with node. Again, you can pass it as a second parameter here. You can choose whichever method you need. Again, even before we show this, we have to add the same check we used to do in node controller, which is if the node doesn't belong to the user, then abort. So let me copy the same thing, paste it here, and yes. Now let's open the show view. Let's first see what we get. Refresh. Right, the node display is perfect, but we need to change this data here, and also the buttons and the titles. Everything needs to be changed based on the routes. Open the show blade file. So once again here, we can do the same check as we do in the index. This one, you can copy this and paste it here. And here you can check if the route is nodes.show, then show nodes, otherwise trash. Or there's one more thing we can do. You can check if the specific node model, since we have the node model available in the show route, you can check if this node is trashed or not using node trashed method. So if the node is trashed, then you need to show trash. So what we'll do is we'll add a not to this. So if node is not trashed, show nodes, else show trash. Let's see if this works first. Yes, we see trash here. If we go to nodes and click on any of these, we see nodes. All right, let's go back to trash and go to the trash node. We can change these two also based on the same check. So let's copy this, and here what I'll do is I'll copy this entire div and paste it again and add them within if and else blocks. So I will say if, oh sorry, I need to copy this. If node is not trashed, then show this, else I will change this soon, and if. Okay, let's hide these buttons for now. And here we don't want to know the created at, we just want to know when it was deleted. So what you can do is you can remove this and you can see deleted, change this to deleted at timestamp. Let's view this in the browser, refresh. Okay, looks like we have a small error. Yeah, once again, I forgot this. Yeah, let's refresh. Great, this is perfect. Now we can view the individual trash node along with the detail of when it was deleted.